been working on the cabin for about a month, and if I'm not up on top of it or inside of it, I'm usually down here at the mill. We want to do a timber frame style set of lofts. Yeah, that's how you say that. And so that means we actually get to finally use our mill. We got this like over a year ago because it was a really screaming good deal on Marketplace, knowing that we'd use it, but now we actually finally have a use and time to use it. So today I'll take you through our first attempts at trying to make usable posts and beams, and troubleshooting that we had to do because it's been sitting for so long and we don't know what we're doing. It's quite a steep learning curve. And then at the end of the video, we'll be answering some questions from the comment section. I think we might actually end up doing that as a regular thing. Oh gosh, okay. It's sliding backwards. Oh. Okay, well, we don't know what we're doing, so let's do it. Probably need to get some walks and figure out what this is. I think maybe 11/16, I would guess. Yeah. I don't know why some of them have cranks and some of them don't, but whatevs. I guess these ones end up right here. No, because you'd want the front ones to have cranks if you're just using it as a trailer at the moment, you know? Like the initial drop. Oh gosh, okay. It's sliding backwards. Oh. I got it. I didn't know it was happening.
Yeah, I wonder. It seemed like the front one should have.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, for when you drop the trailer.
Now
you can always switch them.
How did this come? Well, no, it came from the factory like that.
Well,
no.
These can pop. You can put them over there.
Oh, okay.
These get put together by whoever buys them. They come in boxes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so
he probably didn't care. He just because he left it stationary like we are for a while. Yeah. We need to figure out what this size is.
David.
And yeah, so we're going to turn this guy down because this is way too tall for you. Go ahead and give it a shot, Megan.
Yeah. Over my head, so.
Push it, Megan. You're like, okay. Put some fuel in it real quick while I'm down here. Actually, real quick. Wow. Oh! I'm trying not to break the plastic. Oh, they have it's actually screwed down. That's just sawdust. And we got remnants of a rat cave, I think. There was more in here. I grabbed a bunch out. And we had the barbecue cover on it the other week.
Oh yeah, and they were like, I like that.
Because it was all covered, like it was like drooping down full of water, and I wanted to start it, so I did. But okay, yeah. So we'll have to replace that at some point. I'll just put that on. Not as tight. We're good. Looks good, and we're in most of the hashish marks. Oh yeah.
Look at him hustling. Oh.
Man down, man down. I saw her trip you, Willie.
So, I can't climb on this to fill it. Now I actually wish I had the one with the long hose on it. This one's hose broke, and it actually works out really good for short stuff.
Three-quarter.
Oh, okay. That's close, 11/16.
This is gonna have to go down.
A lot.
Yeah. Or, excuse me, the whole front has to go down.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to try to use the laser level to level this and figure out how I need to set it up. Probably won't do it right the first time. So. Okay, we're going to leave that one floating over there for now.
Okay.
Because this whole thing has to kind of twist this way, but the back needs to come up quite a bit.
When we're trying to catch it, it got away. Yeah, it got away.
Okay.
Hey, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if this works. Oh, jeez, please. Go forward more. Whew. Here, let's do this. You want to...
We're lifting it up more?
Oh, crap. Wrong way. So I don't have to fight it so much.
Yeah. Two under. There you go. There you go.
Good.
Yep. Good.
In sight. We'll put two. Yeah, we'll put two on this side.
Willie's taking Mom down the driveway. They're going for a walk. They're very cute, holding hands.
The bug's on the ground. And dipping to.
I like that lid. It's very creative.
Yeah, sweet.
Whoop.
Okay, that's good for the back. Now we need to do here.
Leave it, Dave. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it.
We're trying to get out of this home. That can be a while.
Oh, there's a little bump right there. Because that's good. How are we over here? Oh, no, too far. Just a tiny bit.
So obviously this is tedious, we knew that, but it'd be well worth it. Eventually, shortly. It'd be very exciting at least when it starts moving.
You still good?
And we can work through this massive assortment of logs from just really like this little area that we cleared for this. That'll be good.
Keep going. Stop. Pretty darn good. That one's not a bunk because it doesn't have the stuff on it. So we just got it leveled long ways and short ways on the bunks. So now we're going to go verify that all our bunks are at the same plane. They're all level for a log to sit on, right? Like this one might be, the frame might be level this way and the bunk might be level that way, but this bunk might be lower than that bunk. You know what I'm saying?
How does that get adjusted?
Good question. We'll cross that when we get there. So you can see on the frame here, if you took the wheels off, these are the points where you'd have jacks, screw jacks, around each bunk, right? So with the traditional style, not on the wheels, you could screw jack each bunk up and down, right?
Mm-hmm.
We don't have that option. We will cross that road when we get there. Okay? All right. Just so we'll know, I guess. You know? No, I don't know. Well, you know, it's, you know.
I felt like it was a fair question.
Actually, I just realized. There's the long ones.
Yeah.
I was wondering where those were.
There.
That one doesn't have one. Ooh, this one got switched at some point. You see that?
Nah.
Dude sold it.
Yep. He's like, I can't cut anything straight now. That one bunk.
Someone else's
So
problem.
that one's got a long one. This one's got a long one.
You only need 2, right?
You want like 3. 3 or 4. No, this is this.
Oh, just go sticking your hand in places. Ugh.
These are our 3.
Ew. Nope, don't do that. Don't do that, Dave. What are these?
These are the clamps. All right, so you put your log dogs, whatever those things are called, log stops, I guess, timber stops, whatever the hell they're called. You put those up and you push the log up against them. Mm-hmm. You slide this, put it into it as much as you can with this guy up like that. Mm-hmm. You crank him down, right? This guy will actually kind of go backwards, right? So it's kind of like this. You push that up against it as far as it will go. So the log's like right here. You get it up against the side of the log, and then you do this. Ha! And it pinches the log up against the stops.
Ah.
Ah!
Okay, Willie.
Got the log.
Yeah! Good. You have that one right? Oh, cool. Alright.
Can't see nothing.
Over here.
Oh my.
Over here we are at 2 and what are the 9/16. We're between 2 and 9/16 and 2 and then 5/8. See over here on this end if it's the same. Yeah. So we'll say 2 5/8. 2 5/8. 2 5/8. Wait, are we unlocked or are we locked? We're unlocked. 2 5/8. 2 1/2. 2 7/16. 3/8. 2 3/8. 2 3/8. 7/16. 7/16. So 2 3/8 is the lowest we had, and the highest was 2 5/8 over there, right? And it slowly dropped and then stayed consistent for these three, right? Yeah, 2 3/8. Okay, so this is the high bunk. Those are all within a 1/16 of one another.
So what now?
Well,
Yeah, what now, Professor?
so this one's low. Yeah, because it's the most. No. Yes, it's the most below the line. Yes. Okay, well, if this one's low, then we can't jack this up anymore, really, because we're level this way, right? Or no, we're not level this way. We need to come up a little bit, right? No, because we were level over there. So it does need to come up.
Yeah, just a hair.
Let's see if this is all the same. Oh yeah, we're good. Just lift these ones up. We're done.
Yay!
I was like, yeah, we did. You're getting lasered right in the eyeballs. And we'll do. Oh, pfft. There's no tension on this at all. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh, are we putting those on blocks now?
It'll definitely sink without a block. Once the weight gets on it. Trying to be proactive.
So much rather react.
You mean what we always do?
I'm not comfortable with pro action. I'm not a pro, okay? I don't pro act.
I'm no action. Oh, what are you saying?
Oh no, something I did not foresee because I don't care.
Look at David.
Okay, well now we need to put a level on this thing because I have no idea where I'm at.
The Empire, the light blue one.
The gooder one. That one.
Is
Not
it?
that one. That one's trash.
No, that.
Pick one. You have hands.
Oh, it's kind of crooked.
It's actually pretty good.
And we'll just spray some schmoo on all the things. Oh, we need to get some water for the blade. Oh, I forgot to check the blade real quick. Okay, so we're actually riding on that. That's not supposed to ride on it. It's supposed to just kind of sit there, you know. So right now we are running on the top deal, but not the bottom deal.
What do you want?
I think these are supposed to be just kind of floating like this. I think they're supposed to be like a 30-second. Because all it's doing, all this guide is supposed to do is stop it from diving really far or skipping over really fast. So to just limit it so you don't twist and snap your blade or just go crazy. But it's not supposed to be riding on it, I don't think. It's a little risky. Even this is kind of silly, and that's even more so.
Yeah, take that thing off.
Kind of takes the cable and gets it all after fusing with it. Okay, so now
Let's give it a try. We can adjust it.
What happened?
I broke the thing.
Cable.
No, I broke this thing on that side.
Oh.
What is that?
That's the thing that holds the cable. Look, I'm gonna flip it around because we're gonna go on that side anyway because grabbing it from underneath is stupid, and that's our only option. I think I broke it, so we had that only option. All right, let me
bring the whole set over here.
I suspect the cable probably.
too corroded.
Yeah.
Well, I got cable lube as well.
Yeah.
I have to remove this part to put it on the other side. I'll loosen this guy up and lift the whole cable up here, and we'll spray it and get all the goo in the cable because this is getting stuck. This is way too hard to pull. It feels like it might be way too stiff. This one right here.
It did sit out for a long time.
Yeah. Well, and it was uncovered when we went to go look at it. So he worked on it outside, no cover. So that's what it's supposed to look like. I did that.
Oops.
Oops.
David. What's the prognosis?
Well, I don't think that the throttle was installed properly. This piece was in between this piece and this piece. So it never was smooth. It's not very smooth right now because it's all, kind of bent, but it's much easier to move now. And I think because of that lack of smoothness and the way it's routed, that's why this broke. That's a pretty strong spring for that little lever to deal with. But it's a little better now that I've kind of brought this down so it's not rubbing on the bottom of the tank. Very hard to pull. Okay. How about this way? Let's see. Okay, so this direction. No, but this direction. Hold on. You stop hitting me with your tail, animal.
Oh, Dave.
What about that way? Still not aiming at where it's supposed to be. Right? Like we're making almost a 90 to get over there. But I think we'll be okay. So we'll do it like that for now. Let me get another bolt. I'm going to take this one with me so I know how long it needs to be. And we'll get some more washers. My tools here so I don't fall in the pocket. And then I go.
So my parents just took off with the boys, and we are just determined to either get a cut done or figure out exactly what we're missing or what's broken so we can order it. And then the next time we get back to this, go for it. Put a roast in the oven at Grandma's house, so dinner will be good when we get there eventually. In the meantime, I'll throw the ball for David. All day, every day with Dave. Got it?
Yeah. Shimming this guy up so we don't have to tighten him up so much. I would say that nylock doesn't work anymore. Where are you? Oh, right there. So, see, it's all kind of like wonky and opened.
Like that.
It's a little straighter. Cool. Alright. Alright. Don't lose the nut. God darn it! Where is it?
No one gets that reference.
Where is it?
You just sound crazy.
I am. I dropped a nut in the rocks.
Found it.
Okay, we can loosen that just a tiny bit. You know what? There it goes. This is also a really long cable. What the hell? Why is this so long? I guess maybe if you're going to go over here, but no one who does that. I want to be near my scale. You know what I'm saying? I guess you could put the scale on the other side. Yeah, you could. You could totally put the scale on the other side if you want. I don't think you want to walk over there. It's kind of crappy. All right. So you'll see what I'm talking about if you don't already. Like, that's going that way. This is down here. So the original bracket was put on wrong with this guy, and I snapped that. So we had to go to the other side. Luckily, there's a second cable area. This never worked in things, so we made a new one. See how it's straight? This one before was shooting it straight down. So this is nice and in line. Got the cable readjusted. I actually cut the sheath down so it's not this monstrosity of extra friction to deal with, because it was like way out here before. And now we have a fairly decent throttle.
All right, put some water in it.
Yeah. Oh, it's just a pop. Oh. There was water in it. That's gross. Oh, jeez Louise. I'm going to shoot that with some PB's blasters. How's our sight glass look? That might be like almost 2 gallons. I just put a gallon in. That should be fine for now.
Yeah.
Real ugly. Some of it's rot, but whatever.
David. Yeah. Can you come straight down? Cause you're hey. Can you bring that straight down instead of dropping it forward?
Can I come any more?
Yeah? Just a little bit.
We're good?
Right there.
Where are my forks?
Your forks aren't touching. You're about 6 inches off.
Off the bottom? Wow!
That's a big one.
That's a big ugly one. Look at this thing, dude. Yeah, this one came out of the ground like a couple days ago. So,
Really?
yeah, this was one of the ones over there. You can smell it. And it's one of the last ones on the stack.
Honey, you know I can't smell anything.
And we're not even going to try to level this thing. We don't have a tow board to lift it up anyway. Yet.
Just want to see it run.
Just want to see it cut a thing. All right. One. A little high. Let's just move over to it.
Okay, stop.
What?
Just stop.
What just happened?
You just ran into it.
Oh, say something.
I said stop!
Oh, it's got that stupid thing. I don't have a chainsaw down here. This is what I'm talking about with this thing. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Watch. See how it dives?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, scissors have.
Okay.
Okay, well, we don't know what we're doing, so let's do it. That's just actually idling now because this thing is not stuck.
Ready, Dave? Be careful.
See how we're gonna cut. I'm watching the blade do this.
Oh, yeah. Level would be like this.
Yeah. It's also probably a full blade. So, it's probably a dull blade. We'll put a better blade on it tomorrow.
Okay.
And, or whenever we, no, probably not tomorrow. So, but we'll put another blade on it before we try it again. We'll make sure it's tensioned. We'll make sure that's adjusted. You can quickly check and make sure that this super light cedar didn't mess it up.
That's good. Now you know. Now we know the things.
Yeah, dude, look at that. Schwam. I mean, that's what happens when you leave it for a while. It was used blade. The guy was done using, and he's like, I'm gonna sell it. So,
Good job.
Thank you. Yeah. But yeah, so we'll swap the new blade on. We'll do the tension, and then after the tension, we can do the belt tension, and then after the belt tension.
Felt sharp. Oh, they hit something.
Oh, you missing teeth?
No, just one side, the high side, one side has been hit. I bet they hit this guy, the stop over here.
Like the teeth facing the way they're supposed to go. Oh God! Stepped on it.
Yeah, it don't cut very good the other way.
Snug is just snug, right?
Yeah, you just snug and then 2.5 turns.
One. Shit, that's 2. Feels really tight.
Yeah, it's pretty tight. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, that's it.
And then we'll hit
You might be wondering who this guy is. He's one of our neighbors and has this same mill, just not the trailered version. And he's been super generous in helping us get this thing set up. He's helped with a lot of other things too. You saw him a few videos back actually on the roof with Woody. And yes, he was invited to Thanksgiving last week. A lot of off-grid channels tend to glamorize being completely alone, and we're just not into that. We want to be part of a community, apart from society, and with folks like this guy and his very cool wife.
So, our first attempt at making a beam. Seems pretty, there's definitely some nuance to it. Definitely need to probably get a DRO for Megan, because she can't reach the scale to move it. Unless I want to put like a step, like a drop down step ladder on this side over here. I don't know. I don't know if she really wants to stand on it, But yeah, this is pretty cool. I don't know if this is going to be used for anything. Maybe I might be able to get some, if I chop it down a little bit and make it a little smaller, I could probably get some board and batten out of it. Oh, nice. 9 foot, 3.5.
Wow.
I've got a few minutes, Woody's with the kids. I wanted to go over a couple of the comments in one of our last videos. First thing, someone asked where we got our fire pit. So let me tell you about that real quick. Okay, this fire pit is from a company called Bali Outdoors. We've been using it for a few weeks now, and it has helped tremendously with getting us out of the camper in the evenings and around the fire. We cook on it, we warm up by it. It has this nice little shelf around the outside, so the kids actually, even if they were to trip, don't get too close to it. Something to keep in mind if you got little ones around. And it supports our cast iron. You can adjust the height of this thing. I've put as much as 2 cast iron pans and our grease catch in there and had no issues. They make some other stuff too, including a little tabletop one that I'm going to show you here in just a second. Okay, the other thing that people were concerned about was our insulation. It had to have been folks who missed our video where we explained the insulation. So we're not using fiberglass. I promise if we were using fiberglass, I would not let my kids help me do that. See, it doesn't make you feel bad. That's so good. Ah, boof. So inside the cabin, we are using an insulation that is made 100% from sheep's wool, like sheep, like unspun yarn. And it is perfectly non-toxic, doesn't off-gas, and won't make you itchy like fiberglass. In fact, I have a lot of wool clothes, and I don't get itchy rubbing up on this wool, but I do get a little itchy rubbing up on my other wool stuff, but not the wool in our walls. So who knows what that's about. But yeah, I promise I was not subjecting my kids to the fiberglass experience. The reason we liked this little stove was because it's super compact and it has these little cooking grates that collapse into basically nothing. And it goes all back into this little bitty bag. So Wade and Woody are going to take it with them on their next camping trip, which may be pretty soon here, considering they camp on the property. They hike out to where they're going to go, they set up their fire, they set up their little tent, and then they pretty much cozy up and just hang out until Wade's ready to go to sleep. Not a whole lot of craziness going on when they when they go camping. Gosh, look at that. I always double dip with mine. I do it once and then like slide the outside off and get two good little toasts.